Hi there, I'm Libby Powers with Anderson Technologies. Today, Ryenn Gaebler joins me for this episode of Bite Size Tech.
Hello.
So, wouldn't it be nice if every vendor you worked with, whether it's your internet service provider or your cell phone carrier or your insurance company, had an advocate for you when you called them with an issue? Well, we totally agree with that statement, and that's why we have an entire client success team here at Anderson Technologies. Ryenn is the head of that team. So do you want to talk a little bit about what client success actually is?
Yeah, I'd love to. So the role of a client success manager is to create long-lasting, successful partnerships by consistently reinforcing value.
And how do you do that?
So there are several different ways, but a few points I'll touch on. First being communication. So we are all about proactive communication. So for instance, if we see a common theme with recurring tickets and things like that, we will go to you and say, client, here's what we're seeing. This is probably an opportunity for improvement. We're going to do a little bit of investigating to get to the root of the problem, and we'll report back to you. So we are all about making sure that we are not just waiting for you to come to us with an issue. We're doing some of that discovery on our own and reporting back to you so you can be as efficient as possible.
I think that's really awesome because, at the end of the day, we do have quite a bit of our business coming to us because they're unsatisfied with the current level of communication they have with their MSP or their IT company that they're working with.
Absolutely, and I think that's something that really sets us apart is having a client success team, and like you mentioned, having that person there advocating for you on a regular basis. Two other points that I'll kind of meld together are onboarding and expectations. So each time a new client comes to us, we create a prescriptive and detailed onboarding process for them that includes a partnership kick-off call with client success.
So hold on.
Yeah.
So you're saying that a client is going to know what's happening?
Yes. Every step of the way. Yes.
Cool.
We will discuss, so it's not a technical call. I want to make sure I point that out. We're going to be discussing what to expect throughout the partnership, what's needed on our end from you, and then also, you can share what you expect from us in return. That way there's no surprises, and we can also measure that along the way to make sure that we are delivering what we said we would.
And I think that's a really important thing too, because it's going to allow you to scale technology to grow your business so that not just today, but 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you have the opportunity for your company to grow because your technology is automatically going to scale with you.
Absolutely. So another piece of that value puzzle is, we're going to do consistent, quarterly and annual reviews. Before that annual review, we'll do an IT audit. You get regular preventative maintenance reports. So we really want to be able to help you to build out, an IT roadmap. What's it going to look like for your company, not just right now and in the near future, but 3 years from now? What's it going to look like? That way you've got a plan, everyone's on board, and we can work together to see it through to fruition.
I love that. Can we just call Charter and have them get a client success team?
Yeah, get right on that.
Thank you all for joining us for this edition of Bite Size Tech. As always, you can check out our blog that talks about the client success model we have here at Anderson Technologies. And if you have any questions, just reach out to Ryenn or I, and we're happy to discuss it with you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.